Hi, my darlings. I hope that you all are doing great and having fun in learning English. If not, then you are at perfectly right place. Today, I'm going to suggest to you 3 solutions to the most common problems that you all are facing already. And I believe that these solutions will definitely help you out to improve your English conversation and remove stutter from this language. The first problem is you can't stop translating from your native language to English. That's the biggest problem. How can you resolve it? Start thinking in English directly. There are a lot of practices, but the most proficient one is start associating your actions with this language. Whatever action you are doing, for instance, you're in a kitchen and you are baking a cake. So start describing your action in English, like you can say, now I'm using a whisk to mix up everything in the bowl. Now I'm adding this material. I am using these utensils. Now I'm going to bake a cake, like that. So start describing your actions in English directly. The other thing is also select any random object, for instance, a laptop, a smartphone, or anything. And after that, speak up about the 5 benefits of that object in English. This practice will help you to speak up because the only way to speak English is to actually speak up. Open your mouth and speak this language. You can't improve your speaking by writing, by listening. Let me give you a very common example. For instance, you are going to a gym 4 days in a week. Just like our course classes are 4 days in a week. So it's just like you are going to a gym 4 days a week and you are doing your arms workout. You're not doing your legs workout. So what will happen after a month or 2? Your arms will become the stronger one and your legs will not that much strong. So it means if you are only listening, so you are understanding, you're improving your listening, and you're not speaking, so your speaking will be weaker and weaker and weaker. So it's important for if you actually want to speak English, you need to speak. That's the only way to speak English proficiently. The practice I'm suggesting you start describing your actions. One more bonus tip is wherever you're sitting, for instance, you're sitting at your workplace, in a garden, so start describing the actions of other people. For instance, you can say kids are playing at the playground, there is a lot of noise, and the ambience looks so refreshing and amazing, and I feel so happy by being in the garden because I'm surrounded by a lot of greenery, lot of trees and beautiful twigs and saplings, like that. So that's the first practice I suggested you. Start thinking in English directly by describing the actions in English. Secondly, you want to expand your vocabulary. Don't overload yourself. When you learn too much, you'll feel exhausted. When you learn less, you'll feel demotivated. So maintain the balance. It's just like you want to go to the top of the cliff and there is one straight way that's going straight to the cliff, which is too hard, too difficult that you feel exhausted. But there is a slow and progressive way to go to the top of the cliff. So whichever way you want to go with, it's up to you. But what I suggest you is go with a slow progress. By slow, I mean slow and steady. As you know, slow and steady wins the race. So the main thing in here is if you want to expand your vocabulary, in 1 week, just read only 1 article. Manage some time, for instance, from Monday to Saturday, you are going to read 1 article. On Monday, you managed 5 to 7 minutes to read the article. While reading the article, make sure that you have a pocket diary with you. On that pocket diary, you need to write down the unfamiliar words. Then, again, manage a little bit like 5 to 10 minutes to search about those words on Cambridge English Dictionary to get to know what is the meaning of those words. Then, carry that notebook with you for the whole week. And now, it's your turn. Whenever you're free, just open your notebook, revise your words, and use them. Now it's your time to put your effort. Utilize those words in your daily conversation and carry that small pocket diary with you every time you're going outside or engaging yourself in a conversation. So by doing this, you can expand your vocabulary. One more problem is you don't understand what native speakers are saying. If you want to understand what native speakers are saying, so expand your connected speech vocabulary. Like, understand the words like don't know, what you do you know, what's going on, sup. These words, like native speakers don't say I want to do this, they say I want to do this. They don't say I don't know, they say I don't know. They don't say what do you do, they say what you do. So expand your connected speech vocabulary to understand native speakers. And the last and my most favorite one is, if you want to sound more like native speaker, drop your jaw and engage your lips into speaking and pronunciation. You see how am I talking? My lips engaged. You can say lot of lip movements are involved into it. So what can you do is to sound more like a British speaker, drop your jaw. When you drop your jaw, you sound more clearer. And overdo your lip movements. I hope that you got the solution to the most common problem that you guys are facing. If you like my today's video, what are you waiting for? Go and give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share it with other English learners. See you in the next video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram.